Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Now this unboxing is going to be of this CyberPower surge protector. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. So here we have the front of the box. Of course, you have the CyberPower logo. And this CyberPower surge protector is the CPS-1315RMS power surge protector. So if we open this up, we do have, of course, the surge protector itself. There we go. We do not get any extra hardware for mounting it on a server rack, so which is a bummer, but that's fine. I mean, if you have some hardware or some spare hardware, you could go right ahead and use that. Once unboxed, or once unwrapped, I should say, you do get, from the looks of it, some limited warranty paperwork here. In the front, we do have 6 power outlets. From the looks of this is kind of like a, oh yeah, this is just the power button right here. We do have the breaker reset next to it. And then we have some status lights for power, ground, and if it does have a surge. So I'll go right ahead and alert you. In the back, these are a little bit more spaced out, which is nice, you know, just in case if you have like a power brick that you need to go right ahead and connect. This most likely will accommodate that. So we do have another 6 outlets over here in the back. Now the power cord. So this power cord is long. It is 15 feet long. So that is the end of this unboxing of this CyberPower surge protector. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one. That is the end of this video. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed. Okay, hold on. That is the end of this power link. No. Is the end of this unboxing of this power cycle. No. CyberPower. Why can't I say that right?